I'm ripping in my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, y'all, it's your boy LS7R254, and we back with another one. As you can see, engine is in. Well, engine was in last time, but yeah, we got our spark plug wires. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Spark plug wires. I wanted the blue to complement the rest of them. The one up here, G plus throttle body. Got the PSI harness. Installed on there. We got some factory wires that need to be ran. They already connected to the starter. Starter's connected. All that good jazz. Let's see here. Yeah, got the AC box back together. All new stuff in there, heater core, evaporator, lower motor, resistor, and the relay. New condenser, new radiator, oil cooler, everything been touched. Show you what we got here. Got a battery in there. Made some battery cables out of 0 gauge. The positive. They're both black, so I had to put red on one just so I don't never confuse myself. I got the negative there. Gotta hook it up. Well, it's hooked up. We're gonna see. Make sure we got lights if it crank over. Rest of the harness is ran here on the inside. And we have a computer, or that's where the computer would be, fuse box, OBD2, and all the rest of that stuff. None of that's hooked up yet, but we'll get to it. Like I said, we're just doing the basics. See, we got some lights at least. All right. First time ever seeing the LS Broham lit up from the back side. Side markers in there. I think we still gotta hook up. I think the bulbs up here is bad. Don't have the headlights in there, so those ain't gonna come on. But the back is intact. Lit up like a Christmas tree. Let me try this. I don't know if I got that starter wire on there tight enough. Uh-oh. We got progress, y'all. So yeah, one step closer. She in there, she turning over. What am I waiting on? Waiting on knock sensors. Once my knock sensors get here, then I can go ahead and finish putting those up there under the intake manifold. Yeah. So those get done. Put them under the intake manifold. Hook them up. Still got to run the fuel to it. Well, no, the fuel is ran, but we have to run the wires back to our pump. I was trying to run it through the stock stuff, but I'm gonna go ahead and bypass all that and just run our wires straight back there like I did on every other build I done to those Cutlass and the C10. Let's run our own wire back there for the fuel. I know where the wire starts. Well, of course, yeah, it starts there, comes into the trunk. You can't see back there, but it comes back there. So probably gonna end up running it just inside the car to the relay over there. But yeah, she is. Let's see. I'm surprised the battery gauge is working. I don't know if I had everything hooked up the way it needed to be, but it look like that's probably right. Let's see what else we got over here. The radio, I don't know if it worked. We're gonna leave it in here, we ain't gonna take it out. Let's just keep the OG look. Got the equalizer on there, scan seat, sets, all that good stuff. She's turning over though. Well, pop go to Wheeler, cause the Wheeler go pop. Like I said, one step closer, y'all. Just keep y'all in the loop. Appreciate y'all support with the memberships and everything. Like I say, these videos also go out to the public. You know what I'm saying? Won't be hitting 10,000, but I want to give y'all the first looks, first cranks, and all that good stuff, man. So till the next time, it's your boy LSRod254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life with all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.